Let's sit up and meditate for a few minutes. Bring your awareness to your breath, either at the tip of your nostrils, with breathing in, breathing out, or at the abdomen, rising and falling. Stay with the breath. Each time the mind wanders to your body, to sounds, to smells, to feelings, to pain, to thoughts, to plans, to judgments, notice it. Give it space. Return to the breath. If you imagine that over your head is an ascending funnel going out into the universe, into the formless. Imagine that the formless aspect of God is above you, and that all the forms of the world, the universe, your life, all of it is out in front of you. And that there's a hole in the top of your head, and there's a hole in the middle of your chest. You're in your life, that's out here. Now, on the in-breath, you will draw it into your chest, you'll draw form back into yourself, and then go up into formless. Let yourself go right up through the top of your head on the out-breath and just go out into space. Then on the in-breath, you will draw, the formless will come back down into the middle of the heart, and then you will breathe the spirit out into the forms of the world. So you're converting spirit into matter and matter back into spirit with each breath. Make these slow and deep breaths. And when you go out the top of your head, really go with the breath. Let the breath and you go together. And then sort of drop back down into your heart on the in-breath. And then go into the world until you see all your forms of life and the spirit making them all move out here in the universe. On the out-breath, out into the heart, out of the heart, back in. Hole on the top of the head, hole in the middle of the chest. Above the hole on the top of the head, imagine a funnel getting bigger and bigger going out into empty fullness, into God. Formless God. You're going to do this with breath. The middle of the process is right in the middle of the chest. You will take in a breath. Draw the world back into yourself. Breathe out, go back to God. Breathe in, come back into form. Breathe out, go out into the world. Breathe in, bring the world back into yourself. Breathe up and out, go out into God. Breathe in, come back into your heart. Breathe out, go out into the world of form. Is that reasonably straight? Okay. In other words, you're using your imagination along with your breath. Slow and deep breaths, and really go up and out each time. I'll do a few with you, and then you can do it at your own rate. Breathe naturally first. Now breathe out, and then be ready to breathe in. Okay? Pull the universe, all the forms back into your heart with the in-breath, deep in-breath. Hold it in the middle of your chest. Now breathe out through the top of your head. Feel the top of your head and go right up and out through it. Just as if you were a rocket being catapulted up. Now breathe down in on the in-breath, slow and deep, back into the chest. Hold it. Breathe out into the world. Recreate the universe. Breathe in through the chest. Hold it. Breathe up through the top of the head. Breathe in through the top of the head. Hold it. Breathe out through the chest. In. Hold. Out. Higher. In. Hold. Out. In. Hold. Up and out. In. Hold. Out. In. Hold. Up. Down in. Hold. Out. Now breathe naturally for a minute. Now we're going to go up above our heads and then do 2 breaths in which we stay up there. Each breath, you take in a breath from the altitude you get to, and then you go higher on the out-breath. Take in another breath and go higher. And then we will draw 1 big breath and come back into our hearts, go out into the world, come back, and then do the 3-breath sequence up again. So it's 3 up, 1 down. Okay? Okay, starting with an out-breath, out in the world, take in a breath. Draw the world back into yourself. Hold it. Now go up through the top of your head. Stay up there. Now take another breath up over your head. And go up higher on the out-breath. Out, expand outward. Stay there. Take a breath in. Expand outward. Up and out. Now, on the in-breath, draw yourself back into the middle of your heart, through the top of your head. Hold it. Now, let that spirit pour out into the world. Hold it. Now, draw the world back into yourself. Now aim up through the top of your head and go up on the out-breath. Stay up. Take another breath. Higher. Go out. Take another breath. Higher. Go out. Sit out in space. Now on the in-breath, draw yourself back into form, back down into your chest, through the top of your head. Hold it. Breathe out into the world. Draw the world back into yourself. Aim up through the top of your head, go up and out. Stop above, take in a breath. Go up and out farther. Just merge into the universe. Another breath. Go up and out farther. Take in a breath, draw yourself back down through the top of your head into the middle of your chest. Out through the middle of your chest, out into the universe. Do the whole thing deeper with deeper breaths now. Take in. Hold. Out through the top of your head. Go up with it. Pull yourself right up. Let yourself go right up to the top of your head. Take in another breath up there. Stay up there with your awareness. Let your awareness go higher and disperse more in the out-breath. Take in a breath. Go higher still, more dispersed. Bring it together and draw it down through your head into the middle of your chest on the in-breath. Breathe out into the universe. Once more deeply. In. Up. Staying above in. Up. Staying above in. Out. Up. Now breathe very gently, but stay out in this space. Imagine this space that permeates this room, these bodies, and that our awareness is merged into this space. One awareness in this room. All these bodies, just be this spacious, quiet, clear, present, formless awareness. If you start to feel pulled into your body, just take another breath and go out some more. Play with your awareness. Just link your awareness to your breath and travel with it. For those of you that can't link that, just play with it as imagination. Exercise in imagination. Imagine there were only one awareness in this room at this moment. How would it differ if we call this awareness love? It would mean that we'd all be in love. Just feel what it is like to be sitting in space, Let your body be quiet and do its thing. If it feels pain, let it feel pain. Don't let the pain grab you. Just let the pain be in the body. Space, flow, liquid, as if it's a very moist, it's like an ocean. It's like an ocean of space. Softly, softly. Don't let it become dry. Keep it very soft. Keep it very sweet. It's only in the merging of spaciousness and the flow of love that you can taste. Let the breath be like a caress. Feel it as if we are all interwoven in one web of awareness. We are just flowing in and out of one another. We are one, and yet we are many at the same moment. Now, very gently, in about 3 stages, breathing in and out with each in-breath, draw yourself down more into your body. Don't do it all at once. When you get into your heart, allow that entire awareness that includes all of us to be in your heart. Feel as if you have just compressed the essence of it all into the middle of your chest. We are all within you. Our awareness and our love exists within your heart. Okay, relax. We stand up and stretch.